and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic setup of your Maxis ESS device. The device is already pre-configured by Maxis. You only need to verify the settings, connect the device to the internet, and confirm that it's successfully connected to the ESS server. So first, to start, we will power on the device. To do that, we will connect the charger and then insert the cable into the port on the bottom left of the device. You can see me doing that right here. And once you have connected it, you can wait for a few seconds for the device to start. Once it starts, you will be able to see the Maxis logo on the screen, and then you need to wait for a few seconds for the home screen to appear. You can see that the device is powered on now. Since it is powered on, we can begin verifying the pre-configured settings that is set up by Maxis. To start, you can click anywhere on the screen and you will see the settings icon appear in the left bottom of the screen. What you need to do is you need to go on COM set and then click on server. Once you click on server, there are 4 pre-configured settings that we need to verify here. These are very important. The first is the server request, which should be yes, and the user domain name, which should be yes as well. In case any of these are no, you can click on the edit option and then change it to yes. Then we will go ahead and check the domain name. The domain name should be Maxis SDK ESS API.maxis.co.in. Please ensure that there are no spelling errors here, because if there are any spelling errors, the domain name will change and the device will not work. So the attendance will not sync. So please make sure. I will also mention the exact domain name in the description section of this video, so you can check it out there as well. Once you have confirmed that the domain name is correct, you can move on to the next setting, which is the server port number that you can see here, which should be 7788. So 7788 should be the port number. If there are any changes or if it's not correct, you can always edit it here. Once you've verified that all these are correct, you need to go back. You can press the escape button to go back and then click on the COM set option here. Here you can see the second option, which is the communication port number, and it should be set to 5005. If it's not 5005, you can always click on the edit button and edit it. So since we've verified most of the configuration settings here, what we'll do next is we'll go ahead and check the serial number of the device to ensure that we have received the correct device. To do that, again, you will go to settings, system info right here in the bottom, and then click on the info tab here. Once you click on the info tab, you can see the serial number here, which is AYTB260177708. You need to confirm that this same serial number is on the box as well as the back of the device. Like you can see here, it's AYTB260177708. So this is exactly the device that we are working on. This is the correct device. Once you've checked this, you can go back and then you can follow the most important step that you need to do, which is to connect the device to Wi-Fi so it can start taking attendance and do the job that it is intended for. So to do that, we will again go on the main screen of the settings. We will click on COM set and then we will click on Wi-Fi. Once you click on Wi-Fi, please make sure that the second option here, which is DHCP, is set to yes. If it is no, again you can click on edit and change it to yes. It should be set to yes. And then you can click on the search option. Once you click on the search option, a list of Wi-Fi that is available at your location will be visible here. You need to click on the Wi-Fi that you want the device to be connected to, and then once you click on it, it will give you the option to put in the password. Once you put in the password and click OK, it will take your password and connect the device to Wi-Fi. Once that is done, you can go on the home screen of the device and you can check that a Wi-Fi icon will be visible here along with an IP address as well as the cloud icon. Now, 2 things here are really important and that you must verify. The Wi-Fi icon should be visible because it ensures that the device is connected to Wi-Fi. The device needs to be connected to Wi-Fi to take the attendance. And the cloud icon ensures that the device is synced to the ESS server. Remember, the device will be able to take attendance even if the cloud icon does not appear, but it will not sync that attendance to the ESS server. So it will not update on the database. So it is really important that you ensure that the cloud icon is visible. If it is not visible after connecting your device to Wi-Fi, you can restart the device. To do that, you need to plug out the cable and then plug it back in and wait for the device to restart, and then check if the cloud icon is visible or not. So these are the only things that you need to do. In case the serial number does not match the serial number on the back of the device or on the box, or if the cloud icon is not appearing even after restarting the device, you can go ahead and contact Maxis support. That is all you need to do. But if all of these are fine and everything is matching, settings are correct, the Wi-Fi is connected and the cloud icon is appearing, that's great. Your setup is now complete. You can go ahead now and mount the device to a wall so that employees can start putting their attendance through the device. Thank you for watching, and we're happy to assist you anytime.